Hey my loves, what is up? I'm back again with another video. So in today's tutorial, you guys already know what I'm gonna be talking about. It's in my bio, so you guys already know. So I'm super excited to be reviewing the new Artist Couture Ethereal Bloom eyeshadow palette. I have some swatches right here and right here. But yeah, you guys, this is a look that I created. You guys already know that I was gonna create a pink look because you guys already know me. You guys know me. I gravitate to pinks a lot. If there's a pink shadow in the palette, you guys know I'm gonna use that shade. So this is what I did. I love it so much. I added some glitter though, just to kind of give it a little pop. But if you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell to get notified every time I post, and give me a like. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Love, so I'm just showing you this beautiful palette. Look, these are all the shades, so pretty. So taking my Mama Mitchell blank canvas and just applying that all over the lid and making sure there's no creases. So the first shade that I'm going to be taking is called Goddess, and when I tell you this shade is pigmented, it's so pigmented. I'm obsessed. I was so excited because pink is one of my favorite colors, so you know I had it. Use that color. So yeah, so I'm just extending that outwards like a full cut crease we're going to be doing, and just using my 507 brush from Morphe, blending that color out, and I'm taking Flourish on top just to diffuse the Goddess color, but that color wasn't as pigmented. It just was like a little flush of color, but it was very, very pretty still. Then I'm going to go back in with Goddess and just blending the harsh lines, and then I'm cutting the crease with a Q-tip dipped in makeup remover, and then I'm going in with the blank canvas and fully cutting the crease. And then yeah, I'm just doing that. Yeah, I was like, wait, what am I doing? So I added NYX primer because this glitter or this shimmer from Artist Couture palette is called Poppy. It wasn't it, like, for me, I don't know. So I added Flourish, then I was like, no, it's not coming together, and then I added Goddess, and then I was like, hey, that's too much of the same color on top. So I was like, okay, let me add Flourish on top of that. So it was just like a lot, like so I added this color, or this glitter from Bella, their new palette. Very, very cute. Okay, so now that the eyes are done, I want to show you guys that Beauty Creation sent over some of their 3mm lashes. So they did launch on the 25th. So they're so nice, and they sent over some of their lashes, their new lashes, and I am so obsessed because if you know me, you know I love them dramatic lashes, period. So they sent a full bag of lashes. Look at these babies. These are dramatic, but they're bomb. So the ones that I chose today were they're called On the Daily, and they look like this. And this is their packaging. I love it. I can't wait to put it in back of me where you guys see all those lashes. I have a lot of lashes, you guys. That's just like not even half of them. I can't wait to put these babies over there, but they look so pretty. So these are On the Daily again. I'm going to take my new favorite lash glue. It's the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. I'm obsessed with this, you guys. These beautiful babies look. This is what they look like. Very dramatic, but pretty. Alright, so now that my eyes are complete, I'm going to be doing my face off camera, so I'll be right back. I didn't show you in the video, but on my lips I have the lip liner Morphe in Bite Me, and Hank & Henry's liquid lipstick in Daddy-O. So if you guys want to know, I'll have it linked down below. Alright, love, so this is the final look. I hope you guys love it. I loved everything. This palette is so gorgeous. The shades are pigmented. The only things I have to say is the shimmer shades were not that buttery and not as pigmented like they were like when I swatched, but not that good on my eyes. I don't know, but I did use the NYX eyeshadow primer and I applied that and it helped a lot. So yeah, so these lashes though, the new Beauty Creation, are amazing. I'm obsessed with these lashes. They look so pretty. They are dramatic, so if you guys are not like a dramatic type of girl, then they probably won't be for you, but girl, you guys already know how I am. So yeah, so everything will be down below, pricing and everything, all the stuff that I use. I hope you guys like it. If you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys do so and hit the notification to get notified every time I post, and give me a like. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.